Hello guys, and welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm just going to be carrying on from my previous tutorial about in Proxmox VE version 5. Last time I showed you how to do the setup and install. This time I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to get your ISO operation files onto the Proxmox server itself. Now there are two ways of doing this. The first and easiest way, once you've logged into your Proxmox environment, is to click on your local PVE storage on the left hand side here. Sometimes it will just come up with summary, but we need to then click on content, and this will show you all your ISO files that have been uploaded in the past. I've got quite a few here. Now there are two ways to upload. The easiest way is using the graphical interface by clicking on upload. You then choose what format you want to upload, whether it's a container template or an ISO image. So we'll click ISO image. You then go to select file and choose the ISO that you want to upload. This time it's going to be Ubuntu, and click open. You're then going to click upload, and away she goes. Now, the reason there are two ways to upload is because this way, although it's quick and easy, there is a limit on the file size that you can upload, and I believe it's around about 2 gigabytes. Let me know if I'm wrong on that, but I know for certain that I cannot upload Windows, for example, because that's over 4 gigabytes. And sometimes this can be quite slow. So the way that I would normally do it is to use a FTP uploader such as Filezilla that you can see over here. This is a free software, works on Windows, Mac, you name it, and it's actually really quite useful. So I'm going to show you this way as well, just because if you are going to be installing Windows or anything substantial, this is the best way to do it. So in order to get going, you open up Filezilla and you need to type in your host name, which is, for me, I'm just going to use the internal IP address. So that's going to be 192.168.0.101. The username is root, password, and the port you're going to want is 22. And you do a quick connect. Because this is the first time this is connected to it, I'm just going to ask whether you want to save passwords or not. I'm going to say no. It starts to connect, and now it's saying there's an unknown host key. This is my host, so I'm always going to trust it. It will only do this the first time you connect to a new host, whilst it exchanges the FTP security keys. And as you can see here, we're now connected to the root successfully, and the remote site appears on the right hand side here. On the left side is your local machine. Now, in order to navigate to this part of the Proxmox environment, you need to just click on the top there to take you right back to the start of the tree. You're then going to go to var lib, scroll all the way down to vz or vz, double click that. You're then going to go to templates and then ISO, and as you can see, all of these on the left hand side are also showing up here. Quite a few people do get confused and will automatically go to images. That's not the right place. You need to go to template, then ISO. And then we now need to find the file we want to drag across. So we are going to go over here to my downloads, and then that shows the folder in here, the contents of the folder, and I'm going to just drag Ubuntu across. Now obviously it's already there because I did it earlier. I'm just going to overwrite that for now, and you can see down the bottom here you've got a progress bar, and it tells you over here how much is in the queue. If you've got other things going as well, you can connect to multiple FTP sites at once. If you say, for example, you have 2 or 3 or 4 or more nodes on here and you want to have this available on all your nodes, you can upload to all of them at the same time. Obviously it will slow down your total speed though. And so I'll just quickly let that finish. Once that's finished, it will appear in here and you are ready to start creating your VM, which will be on the next video. Hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, give me a thumbs up. If not, if you dislike it, give me a thumbs down, and see you on the next one. Thank you.